What's going on? What's going on? We're here today to make another video. Quick one, but I'm gonna do a chip review. So, I've had a couple of comments about a new brand of Doritos that it came out. Sweet and tangy barbecue. Now, I'm thinking, how you thinking? Barbecue, what? But you know, we're gonna find out and do what we do. Find out. So, yeah. So, what? Do you got the goods? You do? Well, give me here. What's up? Gotta get the goods, you know. Get this top secret. Shh, turn the phone. But yeah, let's get this video popping. And if you like my videos, like, comment, and subscribe. But we just gonna dive in, cause you know, I'm gonna see what this hype's about. And I can't compromise my mission, so you know what I'm saying. Let's get it down. Let's set this phone right here. There we go, here we go. Let's see here. Boom. I'm scared. Not really, I'm just kidding. That aroma already? That aroma. I gotta do my chip taste real quick before I even eat it. Yeah. Go get you some of these. Y'all don't know what you're missing. Bad boys right here. I just one for one. It's so good. Make you want to slap your mama. I wouldn't quote do that because your mama may slap you up behind your back. But yeah, it's just that good. Yeah, I gotta do it again because that flavor was just smacking. Wait a minute. It's getting real. It's so good. All I gotta say is, no, I can't say that. Yeah, it's so good. Go get you some. This stuff was so good. It gave me a whole lineup. You see that? It gave me a lineup. That's how good it is. It compromised. I had to take up my hood and everything. The next thing you know, it's gonna make you come out of your jacket. But yeah, this is really good. So on a scale of 1 to 10, I think I'm gonna go ahead and give these a 10. These are good. So if you watch this video, go get you some. Cause, man, hold on. Wait. Whoa, my bad, I'm out. Got the itis off of eating 3 chips? Have you ever got the itis off of eating up 3 chips? Sure, you ain't never got that before. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. It's getting hot up in this mug. But yeah, go get you some. Go get it. I'll let y'all later. Peace.